Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group. Today is Friday, March 27, 2026. And as usual, the headlines and all of the developments surrounding the Middle East, the price of oil, and all those things are impacting the economy and impacting the financial markets. But today I just want to speak more on a higher level than whether oil is going to go up or down in the stock market and known unknowns and like that. I believe that there are additional and higher risks to both the financial markets as well as the economy. I think things have changed with this Iran war conflict. And I think that markets have not necessarily priced that in. Whether we get through it or not, or how we get through it, and what the other side of that looks like in terms of geopolitical landscape is, no, I'm not that much of an expert on that. But I do look at things and think that the economy and the markets are going to be different. And I think that, again, the current state of the markets have not priced in that risk and that adjustment. It might be that oil stays higher for longer or even goes up from here another 20%. That would be pretty disastrous. The other side also is that I think the market, the way it was trading last year and the leaders and like that, I don't think are coming back. And certainly we see it with the Mag 7 are just trading terribly. And, they were overpriced to begin with. Great companies. But now with the changes, that premium and those valuations are coming in. So again, I think that the overall market could trade, lower at some point, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow or next week, but I do think there's some headwinds here. Now, the flip side of that is I could be definitely and dead wrong. Over the weekend, we get a truce. This morning on that topic, Trump announced a further delay in any action against Iran, but yet the market sold off. So that, I think, is an interesting point. And again, maybe that's the beginning of properly pricing in increased risk. But again, to go back, if I'm wrong, I just think there'll be time to take advantage of opportunities. I think there will be opportunities that are out there, but I think in the meantime, defensiveness might be the proper approach and proper strategy. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I think this is a very difficult time to be investing and difficult time to manage risks. But I think, again, defensiveness might be the proper strategy. Again, let us know any comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday. Thank you again. Goodbye.